Hi everybody, Stretton Rutherford here from awesomecashplan.com and everydayatm.com. Just wanted to talk to you about the Prosperity People Systems, and it's going really well despite what's going on. I know it's what I call a very turbulent time. I'm in France right now, and I haven't been to America lately. I know that you are all having a lot of struggles right now. We will get through this. But I wanted to let you know about my program. My main program is working extremely well. I've been with Prosperity for a few years now. I've been in big ticket, high ticket for over close to 17 years now, and an advertiser and marketer for over 31 years. But this program is really easy. I have all the leads in place. You've seen my videos. I can't make it any easier. I just give you my sources. We now have digital products. And we have the great levels that make us money consistently: $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500. And if you think you can't make that kind of money, guess again. If you have leads and prospects and a system that does all the follow-up for you, then it works extremely well. I know I've been doing it here, and I've semi-retired here to France and Europe and America. But this works extremely well. Like I say, extremely well is the best way to describe it because it's really that simple. Just be consistent. I know that money's tight right now. It's a major deal right now for a lot of people, and they can't see them spending this kind of high ticket money to get into a program that pays over and over again. The system is outstanding. It's just been upgraded less than 2 weeks ago. Digital products, new videos. It works really well. I'm semi-retired. I do this full time. And I'm here to tell you that it's extremely easy. I have the leads in place. I will help you get started. I will help you all the way, and in most cases, be your mentor and do most of the work for you. I'm just asking that you give me a call, text me, email me, and we can get you started because this really does work. I have proof. So this is a proven system. My proven system for over 16 years. I have the proof. awesomecashplan.com. I want you to call me, and we'll get you started as soon as possible. Please take care of yourself, stay healthy, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.